In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a TikTok ads campaign in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're tidying up your ad account or pausing your marketing efforts, it's essential to know how to properly manage and delete campaigns that are no longer needed or didn't go as planned. And I'm here to guide you through every step of this seemingly daunting process, making it as simple and stress-free as possible. First, you'll need to navigate to the TikTok ads homepage. Go ahead and type ads.tiktok.com into your browser's address bar. This will take you directly to the main page where all your advertising actions begin. Once you're there, look for the login button. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your account credentials. At this point, you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your TikTok ads account. Make sure you've got these details handy and type them into the respective fields. Once you've filled out your information, go ahead and click the login button once again to proceed. After clicking login, you might be asked to complete a CAPTCHA verification. This is a standard security measure to ensure that you're not a robot. Follow the instructions provided, typically involving selecting certain images or typing out text, and click Confirm to proceed. This step is crucial for maintaining the security of your account and the integrity of TikTok's ad platform. Now, upon successful login, you'll often receive a code sent directly to your email. This is an added layer of security known as two-factor authentication, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access the account. Retrieve this code from your email, return to TikTok ads and enter it in the provided field to gain full access to your account. With these security measures out of the way, it's time to get down to business. Navigate to the campaign section by finding it in your dashboard or using the direct link if you have it bookmarked. This page is where all your advertising campaigns are listed, making it easy to manage them in one centralized location. Here's where you'll need to make a critical decision. Locate the campaign you wish to delete by scrolling through your list of campaigns. Once you've found it, click on the checkbox next to this particular campaign to select it. Be careful to choose the correct campaign, as this action cannot be undone. After selecting the campaign, direct your attention to the Edit drop-down menu located just above your campaign list. Click on this to reveal several options, one of which will be Delete. It's a simple yet powerful feature that allows you to remove campaigns with just a few clicks. Click on Delete, and a confirmation window will pop up. This is your last chance to ensure you're deleting the right campaign and that you indeed wish to proceed. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on Confirm to finalize the deletion of your campaign, and just like that, your unwanted TikTok ad campaign is no longer. It's completely removed from your account, allowing you to focus on campaigns that are performing well or to start fresh with a new strategy. Deleting a campaign might seem like a small task, but it's an essential part of managing your advertising efforts effectively. Whether you're cleaning up your account or ceasing operations for a particular product or service, knowing how to accurately navigate and use the TikTok ads platform empowers you to maintain control over your advertising destiny. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to delete a TikTok ads campaign within minutes. By following these steps, you can ensure your ad account remains organized and focuses only on the campaigns that truly matter to your business goals. Remember, being proactive and mindful of your campaign's performance and relevance is key to leveraging TikTok's powerful advertising platform to its fullest potential. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to master TikTok advertising and beyond.